President Biden did mention that now President-elect Trump headed back to the Oval Office for another 4 years, while the Justice Department and Special Counsel's Office are making plans to wind down their ongoing federal prosecutions against him.
Yeah, Trump will become the first convicted felon to serve as president. Constitutional law expert and criminal defense attorney Robert McWhirter is joining us this morning to talk more about these cases. Robert, thank you for being with us this morning.
My pleasure.
Let's start with Trump's sentencing hearing, which is only 2.5 weeks away on November 26 for the hush money case. What are we expecting to happen before or after that hearing?
Well, that's really a big open question, because what is the state judge going to do? And remember, this is a prosecution that cannot be done away with because it's not a federal prosecution. It's a New York state prosecution. I will hazard a prediction. And my predictions have not been very good lately about at least politics, but I will hazard a prediction. I think the judge just may give Donald Trump some prison time, but it will be short. The logical thing to do is to give it, and he can serve it before he takes the oath of office in January. Normally, a defendant in this type of case would not get any prison or jail time because of the nature of the offense. But two things are going to happen here. One is a recognition of Donald Trump's behavior during the course of that trial was really extraordinarily poor, the worst I've ever seen a criminal defendant behave. And number two, Donald Trump, in my prediction, will not be apologetic during his allocution of his sentence. He will not accept responsibility. Most criminal defendants, when they're convicted, open up their hearts and say, okay, I'm sorry for what I did, and judges account for that. And Donald Trump will not do that. So there is a chance, and the judge certainly can, it's within his power, to impose an actual prison sentence of Donald Trump and then an extended probationary time in prison sentence. And so Donald Trump may get a month or so or several weeks of detention. But beyond that, it's anybody's guess.
Yeah, I know. That's what people are watching for here. We do have that Supreme Court decision that plays into some of the other cases and things, too. What kind of precedent do you think this sets for presidential immunity going forward compared to what has played out in the past?
Well, in a sense, at least under the Supreme Court decision, the New York case really doesn't set any precedent, despite kind of out there arguments that Donald Trump's lawyers have made, because it was conduct that occurred before he was president. Therefore, and it had to do, if you recall, the check to Stormy Daniels, right, and the campaign finance issues. Therefore, even the Supreme Court's very broad and I think overly expansive view of presidential immunity, even under the terms of that Supreme Court statute, it has nothing to do with the New York case or limit the New York case. The bigger question, of course, is going forward with Jack Smith's prosecution, which are in some way under the Federal Department of Justice, which Donald Trump is soon going to be over.
Okay, Robert, we will watch as this all plays out. We'll check back in with you again. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.